Is your Quora account banned? If yes, the video for today is going to be interesting for you because I'm going to show you how to unban a suspended Quora account. Quora is a very interesting social media website on which you could not just get answers for your questions, but you could also provide answers for questions that other people may have, whatever may be the subject. Unfortunately, these days a lot of Quora accounts are getting banned, and you normally get an email from them telling you that Quora moderation banned you from Quora, so that becomes very frustrating. Let's quickly go ahead and see how we can appeal and get our accounts unbanned. So the first thing is you need to understand why your account was banned in the first place. In the email itself, it is going to give you the reason why they banned your account. So maybe your account was linked to multiple violations, or maybe it was linked to spam because you were posting maybe affiliate links, or you were posting videos or pictures that was not allowed on Quora. So maybe they banned your account. You're going to get the reason in that email that you receive. Once you understand why your account was banned, get hold of a laptop or a PC, or you could also do this from your smartphone. Open the Chrome browser or any browser, not a problem. And you could do a search for Quora ban appeal form. So there is a specific appeal form that you have to fill up and put in to Quora to see if your account could get unbanned. All right. So do a search. You scroll down a bit, you could click on submit a request out here. So after you click on this link, you're going to be directed to this page. Click on the drop down. You select the first option. I want to appeal a moderation decision. And then you get a form to fill up out here. Let's fill this up. Put in your email address, put in your name, select the reason for your appeal. So remember I was telling you, you need to understand the reason why your account was banned. It's going to be in the email, so you have to select the reason out here. Okay, so whatever the reason mentioned in the email, if you see that mentioned out here, you could select that option. Or if you do not see the ban reason which you received in the email out here, select the reason out here which is closest to the reason they have given you in the email. I hope you understood what I'm trying to say, right? And then you put in your profile link. So for your profile link, you just copy this, paste it out here, and remove the brackets. Put in your name in lower cases. You could test it if this is correct. So you could just copy this and paste it on the search bar. It's going directly to my profile, so the link is okay. What is the subject? Request to unban my account. In the description, you need to send them a note. So you can put in a note like this. Hi team, I recently received an email from Quora which says my account was banned due to multiple violations, or whatever may be the reason that was mentioned in the email that you have received. Don't put this in. Okay, you could delete that. I have been using Quora in accordance to its terms and conditions. I have evaluated my account, including details and posts, and it seems to be absolutely fine. Please could you help me unban my account? I would be very grateful to you. Regards, your name, the date, and your email address that is registered with Quora. Okay. If you want to put in any attachments that you have, you could do so. Like if you have any attachments, like if you have any proof that your account was not violated and stuff like that. If you want to add any attachments like proof to show that your account is not in any violation. If you want to add any attachment, if you want to add any files which show that your account is clean, you haven't posted anything that is against their policy, you could add that out here and click on submit. Once you submit this, within 3 to 5 working days, you should get a response from these guys. And if this actually helps you, please go ahead, like my video, share it further so that others can gain knowledge about this, and also post in the comment section below that this actually helped you. Take care, my friend.